Ever wondered how to achieve this flawless glaze donut glassy look? The secret to this is just closer than you think. Yes, rice. You see this trend? This trend is something that we tried. I personally for once tried it in 2019, 2020. Using the natural things we see in our kitchen, turmeric, honey, and the rest to do like skincare stuff. And trust me, they really worked. But at some point, it just felt like they got outdated. But now they are back. Koreans have brought it back. And same people that felt they were trash before are the ones now rushing to buy the popular Korean rice mask. So they are no longer trash. Or is it because they are now made by Koreans? Anyways, I'm not judging. You see that rice mask that people are rushing to go and buy? The main ingredient is rice, so it is rice. In this video, I'll be showing you how to make your own rice mask. 2 ingredients you'll be needing for this mask are rice and aloe vera. You're going to get your rice. Please get just a little quantity. Rice now is expensive. Wash your rice thoroughly twice to ensure that all the germs and dirt are out. Add water and then you cook. Cook till the rice gets soft. I don't let the water dry completely because I don't want it too thick after I blend. I want this creamy watery consistency, so I blend the rice with the rice water. I blend thoroughly until I get a smooth creamy consistency like this. This is the exact consistency I was aiming for. If you like yours thicker, you can add less rice water. This quantity is too much. I'm going to scoop the quantity that I want to use right away and store the remaining inside the refrigerator. This is why I said you should just use a little quantity of rice, because by the time you boil and you blend, it's going to get plenty. And this isn't something you can store for long, even though it's going to be in the refrigerator. The maximum it can be stored and reused is 7 days. So I'll be storing this inside the fridge and I'll be working with the one in the black cup. This is my aloe vera gel. If you can get the aloe vera plant, perfect. But you're going to blend it together with your rice so that you get a smooth consistency. But since I'm already working with this processed aloe vera gel, I'm just going to add it directly to my blended rice. Now, rice has a lot of benefits to the skin. It contains brightening properties that would help to brighten your skin and even your skin complexion, dark spots, hyperpigmentation. It is also very rich in antioxidants, so it can give you anti-aging benefits. It helps to control oil production. It is suitable for people with oily skin or acne prone skin. It has soothing and calming properties also. Like, the benefits of rice on your skin is just a lot. It can also serve as a mild physical exfoliant. It will help to exfoliate your skin. Then by adding aloe vera to this mask, you are getting added advantage such as deep hydration, enhanced brightening, soothing and calming benefits. So I'm going to give that a very good mix, and this is what we'll be working with. First thing first, you need to apply the mask on clean skin. So my face is washed and slightly damp, and then I'm going in with the mask on my face. I'll be applying this on my whole face, avoiding my eye area, and then I'm going to let it sit for about 10 to 15 minutes. Please don't let it exceed 10 to 15 minutes. So guys, this is what my face looks right now. I just washed the marks from my face. Thanks to the aloe vera, my face doesn't feel too dry or too tight. That's why it is important to add something hydrating in the marks. Either you add aloe vera, or you add honey, or you add vitamin E or coconut oil, especially if you have a dry skin. After you apply your marks and you've washed it off, it doesn't mean you should leave your face like that. You can still go ahead with your regular skincare routine. So whether you use your serums or your toners, or you just apply your moisturizer immediately, just do what you usually do. Guys, this is the final look. I just love how soft and smooth my skin feels right now. Let me know in the comment section, guys. Will you be trying this? Is this something you'd love to try? If the popular Korean rice mask is something you want to really try, then that means you need to give this a try, because it's similar. It's going to give you similar results. Yeah, if you've tried this before, let me know in the comment section. If you got good results from using this, let me know in the comment section. Comment section is going to help people know that this is authentic, this is the real deal. But please don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you haven't. Like my videos, drop your thoughts in the comment section, share this video also to your family and friends, and until I see you on my next one, have a wonderful day. I just love the way the sun is kissing my skin right now. Bye guys.